I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating Edge and enabling third-party extensions so you can install reliable ad blockers. Open Settings about to force an update. Once done, go to Extensions and turn on Allow extensions from other stores. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account so preferences persist across devices. This reduces setup friction and keeps permissions clear. You'll need this environment to add a vetted ad blocker extension and configure it safely without breaking YouTube playback. You now install a trusted ad blocker like uBlock Origin from the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Edge, then pin the extension so it's easy to access. Open its dashboard and enable recommended filter lists. These remove video ads, banner ads, and trackers. Adjust Element Picker for aggressive blocking if needed, but make sure to whitelist YouTube domain if captions, playback, or recommendations misbehave. This balance keeps ads out while preserving essential site functions and a smooth viewing experience. You finish by testing YouTube in several tabs and profiles to confirm ads are gone. If pre-roll or mid-roll ads still appear, open the blocker's logger and toggle specific filters, then clear Edge's cache and hard reload the page. If problems persist, disable other extensions one at a time to find conflicts, or reset the ad blocker settings to defaults and re-enable lists carefully. Remember, if captions, autoplay, or playlists break, whitelist YouTube and refine element rules rather than removing the extension entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.